Ever wondered why some people get rich quickly while others spend their entire lives stuck in the same financial routine? The truth is that the rich follow rules that most people don't even imagine. If you feel like you're always working hard, but never seeing real progress, this video will open your eyes. In the next few minutes, you will discover the secrets that can transform your mindset, your finances, and your life in just 6 months. Imagine breaking free from financial struggles, making decisions that multiply your money, and finally taking control of your future. This isn't some distant dream. It's a code that anyone can learn and apply. But most people never discover these rules. Stay with me until the end, because today, you will understand exactly what the rich know and how you can use this knowledge to break free from stagnation and build real wealth. If you feel like you work hard but never see real progress, or if you've tried saving money but nothing seems to work, then this video is for you. What I'm going to show you isn't just a few random tips. It's a real action plan to reprogram your mind, multiply your income streams, and finally achieve financial independence. Now, I need you to watch until the end, because every minute of this video contains an essential step. If you skip a part, you might miss exactly the point that could make all the difference in your life. Before I show you how to transform your mindset and financial habits, you need to understand why most people never get rich. And believe me, it has nothing to do with luck or being born into a wealthy family. It has to do with a fundamental mistake that almost everyone makes: the way they see money. From a young age, we are taught to work for money, but we are never taught how to make money work for us. Most people spend their entire lives trading time for money and spending everything they earn. The result? An endless cycle of bills, debt, and frustration. The first fatal mistake is believing that making more money solves everything. Many people increase their income, but instead of investing, they increase their expenses as well. That's why you see people who earn good salaries but are still broke. The problem isn't how much money you make, but what you do with it. Another mistake is the fear of risk. Most people prefer the security of a fixed salary and avoid investing or starting a business because they're afraid of losing money. But the truth is, wealth lies on the other side of calculated risk. If you don't learn how to manage risk, you will always be limited to what others decide to pay you. Now that you understand why most people never get rich, let's get straight to the point. The code of the rich. These are the 5 rules that separate millionaires from those who struggle financially their whole lives. And the best part? You can start applying them today. First rule is a growth mindset. Poor people believe that money is hard to earn and easy to lose. Rich people see money as a game. If you learn the right rules, you can master the game and multiply your wealth. Have you ever noticed that millionaires keep growing their fortunes while others seem to always be in debt? That happens because wealthy people understand that money is a reflection of their mindset. If you believe you will never be rich, your brain will find ways to prove that to you. But if you start seeing money as a tool for growth, you will begin to notice opportunities that you never saw before. The second rule is to pay yourself first, before paying bills, spending on entertainment, or even buying food. The first thing you should do when you receive money is set aside a portion for yourself. This means saving a percentage of your income and using it for investments. It sounds simple, but most people do the exact opposite. They pay all their bills first, and if there's anything left, they save a little. The problem is that there's never anything left. Rich people treat their own money as a priority investment, not as something secondary. If you never save, you will never have capital to grow financially. The third rule of the code of the rich is to multiply your income sources. If you rely on a single paycheck, you're always one step away from financial disaster. If you lose your job, everything falls apart. The rich never depend on just one income source. They invest, start businesses, and constantly create new streams of money. And no, you don't need to be a millionaire entrepreneur to do this. Today, with the internet, there are hundreds of ways to earn extra money: freelancing, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, content creation, online consulting, and many more. The secret is to diversify. The fourth rule is to use money as a tool, not as a goal. Most people spend what they earn on things that lose value: cars, expensive clothes, trendy gadgets. The rich do the opposite. They invest in assets, things that generate more money over time. Want an example? Instead of spending money on an expensive car that only depreciates, a millionaire invests that money in something that brings returns, like stocks, real estate, or a business. This is the difference between assets and liabilities. If you want to get rich, you need to spend less on liabilities and more on assets. The fifth rule is to surround yourself with the right people. If you spend time with people who constantly complain about money and lack ambition, it will affect your mindset. Have you ever noticed that millionaires associate with other millionaires? That's no coincidence. They learn from each other, share opportunities, and push one another to grow. If you want to grow financially, you need to be around people who think big. This doesn't mean abandoning your friends or family, but it does mean seeking new circles of influence: books, courses, events, mentors. Now that you know the code of the rich, how can you apply it in the next 6 months to transform your financial life? Here's a step-by-step plan. In the first month, focus on changing your mindset. Consume content that teaches you about money, like books, podcasts, and videos. In the second month, start saving a portion of your income before spending. It doesn't matter if it's a small amount. The habit is more important than the value. In the third month, find a way to generate a second source of income. It can be something simple, like selling a service or investing a small amount. In the fourth month, start directing your money into assets, not liabilities. Stop spending on things that only drain your finances. In the fifth month, expand your network. Join groups. Meet people who are where you want to be. In the sixth month, review your progress, adjust your strategy, and keep growing. Now, the decision is in your hands. You can watch this video and continue living as you always have, or you can apply these rules and start your journey to financial freedom. Tell me in the comments, which of these rules will you start applying today? If this content made sense to you, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because in the next videos, I will show you even more strategies to transform your financial life. See you in the next video.